Hello, Living Well Daily community. Today we're talking about something simple yet powerful: walking. It's the simplest form of physical activity and needs no special skills or equipment. Just put one foot in front of the other and you're on your way to better health. Walking is accessible to almost everyone. Let's get started. Let's talk about heart health. Walking is a great way to get your heart pumping without too much stress. Studies show 30 minutes of brisk walking daily can make a difference. Imagine, a simple walk could be your secret weapon for a healthier heart. If you're living with diabetes, listen up. Walking can be a game changer in managing blood sugar. Walking helps your muscles use glucose for energy, regulating blood sugar. It improves insulin sensitivity, making it a powerful tool for managing type 2 diabetes. Many of us seek healthy ways to manage weight. Walking burns calories, boosts metabolism, and targets stubborn belly fat. Regular walking helps maintain a healthy weight by increasing activity. Walking is not just good for physical health, but also for mental well-being. Walking outdoors is a fantastic stress reliever and can boost your mood naturally. Studies show walking reduces symptoms of depression and anxiety. Walking builds strength and endurance, especially in your legs and core. Each step engages muscles in your calves, thighs, glutes and core. Walking is weight-bearing, strengthening bones and reducing osteoporosis risk. Walking can significantly improve your sleep quality. Physical activity like walking regulates your circadian rhythm, your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Even a short evening walk helps you fall asleep faster and experience deeper, more restful sleep. Want to boost your immune system naturally? Lace up your walking shoes. Regular physical activity like walking strengthens the immune system, making you less prone to infections. A daily walk could be your secret weapon for staying healthy year-round. Walking is great for your heart, muscles and lungs. When you walk, your breathing rate increases, taking in more oxygen. This improves lung capacity, strengthens respiratory muscles and boosts endurance. Walking stimulates your digestive muscles, promoting better bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also reduces bloating and gas, making you feel more comfortable after meals. While walking isn't a guaranteed way to prevent cancer, research suggests regular physical activity can reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Studies show a link between regular walking and a lower risk of breast and colon cancer. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, is crucial for cancer prevention. Feeling stuck in a creative rut? Take a walk. Walking boosts creativity and enhances cognitive function, giving your brain the oxygen and nutrients it needs. Feeling that afternoon slump? Try a walk. Walking boosts blood flow and oxygen, giving you energy. It also releases endorphins, enhancing your mood and energy. Walking can help us live long, healthy lives. Studies link regular walking with increased life expectancy. It prevents chronic diseases, improves cardiovascular health, and enhances overall well-being. High blood pressure is a serious concern, but walking helps. Regular walking lowers blood pressure, reducing strain on your heart and vessels. Believe it or not, walking benefits your skin. Walking increases blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to skin cells, promoting a radiant complexion. Walking also helps flush out toxins, contributing to clearer, healthier-looking skin. Walking truly is a wonder activity. Both men and women can experience unique benefits from walking. For men, it can improve cardiovascular health and strength, while women benefit from increased bone density and reduced osteoporosis risk. Quick tips for getting the most out of walking. Choose your pace. Both slow and brisk walking have benefits. Set a routine. Walk daily or several times a week, even for 15 minutes. Walk mindfully. Pay attention to your surroundings and enjoy the experience. So, lace up those walking shoes, step outside and let each step bring you closer to a healthier, happier you.